All right, students, this quick video is just here to help to guide you a little bit as you create your project for this assignment that we're doing. We're working on trying to incorporate the rule of thirds and create a poster design. So if you open up this starter file, what you'll see is the very first slide is just a blank slide, and that's where you can actually start to design your own poster design. The next slide shows you a very good example of what you could do and so how you can bring in some images and how you can start to lay this out. I've included some notes here on the side that kind of show you how I use the principles of design and how I use the rule of thirds and the elements that are being used in this particular design that I created. The third slide shows you the actual instructions and specifications to this project. So make sure that you're meeting all of the specifications. And then I included the information that we actually learned in class where we talked about the 5 composition tools that we can use. So that all is there for you to guide you. But I do want to show you a couple of things real quick that are required for you to do here. First thing that you needed to do is you needed to select a layout option. So either you're going to do what I have here, which is a portrait layout. It's more tall than it is wide. Or you can do a landscape layout where it's more wide than it is tall. The way you're able to complete that here or do that here is if you go to File and just go down to Page Setup. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure that the width is much wider than it is tall. So for example, you can just switch these numbers, maybe make this even a little bit wider if you want 11 by 7, for example. And then what you'll notice is that when I apply that, now my layout becomes a landscape layout. All right, so that's how you do that. The other thing is that you can utilize these lines so that you can create that grid, right, where you have the page broken up in thirds horizontally as well as vertically, and you end up with like this grid of nine squares. So the way you want to do that is, I'm going to show you on this blank one. You'll notice that at the top of your slides application, there's this ruler up here, and you can actually grab that, just go onto that ruler and press down and drag, and that will bring out a line that you can put in your design so that it helps to guide you with that, with being able to break your page up into thirds. So you can do that from the top, so you can break it down this way horizontally, and then if you go from the side here on the left, you can get some of those same type of lines so that you can break it into thirds vertically. And that's how you do that.